Welcome to 10 News Network. Myself Singh Sangita, and today we are at JP Greens, a prestigious venue for Adani Invitational Golf Championship, which is organized by PGTI Professional Golf Tour of India and sponsored by Adani Group. Today we have privilege to talk with Senior General Manager Mr. Dhruv Pal Singh ji about this championship. Sir, welcome to 10 News. Sir, can you please share how JP Greens has adapted to the growing demand for technology in the venue management sector to improve guest experience and operations?
Okay, now see technology, this being basically a sport, and I'll talk of technology from a different angle. Technology in this sport has evolved so much that the players are playing better, the equipment is so much better, players are hitting it much longer than what used to be earlier. Now this course was originally designed in the mid-90s by Greg Norman. That time the playing ability, or rather the technology that was available to the players, was different as to what it's now. So what we have done is we have actually altered the golf course, keeping the basic design intact, but we have lengthened the tees, we have played around with the plantations to keep the course challenging enough for all level of golfers.
So what were your thoughts on this new initiative of Adani Group and PGTI? They were selected JP Greens as the venue.
See this, I'd really like to thank the management of PGTI, especially Mr. Kapil Dev himself and Mr. Amandeep Johal for selecting our venue. We are actually a perfect venue to host such events. And I'm really glad to have a professional event back to this golf course after a gap of 12 years.
Sir, as a venue provider, what do you believe the sustainability and the key factors that set JP Greens apart from other venues in the market, especially in the terms of customer satisfaction and operational efficiency?
Okay, we are a wholesome facilities where we all expected facilities are available to golfers within the premises over here. There's a 5-star hotel, there's a sports complex, there's a fully equipped clubhouse with all the comfortable amenities, and of course a fantastic golf course. And a beautiful practice range, which is lacking in most places. In fact, if I may add, this is the only practice range in North India where we have people hit off actual turf all through the year. Otherwise, most people in winter shift to mats or something, but we provide actual turf to all the golfers.
So in your role, how do you approach sustainability and eco-friendly practice at JP Greens, and what are some of the challenges you face in implementing them?
Water management is the main, but we have a very, very good water harvesting system, and all our lakes, we have lots of lakes, almost 20 acres of lakes, and all of them are interconnected. All the irrigation, the water in the summer, which comes from the STP, gets collected in one of the lakes. From there it's pumped, and even during the rain all the lakes are replenished. And these are not natural bottom lake, they are all natural bottom lakes and not lined lakes, so that helps the water table also. Second part is of course the birds. So we made lots of thickets and enough area for the birds to breed comfortably.
It's a great initiative, sir. How do you foresee the future of large-scale venue management evolving, and what role do you see AIGC, artificial intelligence generated content, playing in this transformation?
Well, it's like managing a living thing. Managing grass is like managing a living thing. So of course, and it's a very large area of almost 140 acres. So different areas behave differently. So if all that is recorded well and AI helps us, it will be a great benefit, because each green, like if I just talk of the greens, each green you cannot provide the same treatment to. Though that's the ideal situation, but sometimes if there are 18 greens, all 8, and there are 18 people, everyone, the same medicine may not suit everyone, but of course all these things, once recorded and with the help of AI, will go a long way in maintaining the golf courses better.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking with 10 News.